By design, aluminum-finned carbon steel tubes are some of the most challenging tubular components to inspect. The external aluminum fins of such tubes greatly influence inspection signal quality. Carbon steel is also strongly ferromagnetic with a high permeability. For that reason, there's no way to properly size detected indications such as pits, cracking at the tube sheet, tapering, or general wall thinning, only analyzing strip charts. This is where the near-field array probe comes in. NFA probes use a transmit-receive mode. They incorporate a transmitter coil to generate the near field, an absolute receiver coil for taper and wall thinning measurements. This is simulated 25% round bottom hole, 3 mm or 1/8 inch in diameter. Each receiver coil is sensitive to magnetic field variations along the tube. They are used to generate a high-resolution, 360-degree C-scan image of the tube. NFA probes do not use a magnet to saturate the tube wall. They can be pulled at speeds up to 300 mm or 12 inches per second.
To demonstrate the NFA probe capabilities, let's pull it through a reference tube made of carbon steel. First, we can see the absolute strip chart used for wall thinning detection, including general wall loss. Sizing is done using the absolute impedance plane. The C-scan shows the 2D imaging of the whole tube. It is used for pits and crack detection. Another impedance plane is also used to size the indication based on sizing curves. The 3D C-scan helps to demonstrate what this indication looks like. Now, let's pull the probe to an actual air cooler tube, retired after 20 years of service. We can clearly see many pits and a tapered indication measured at 19% wall loss. For illustration purposes, let's zoom in on a single section to size one pit. This pit covers 30 degrees. From the impedance plane, let's select the appropriate sizing curve. We conclude that this defect corresponds to a 30% wall loss.
In summary, the NFA probe enables detecting and sizing small volumetric indications in fin-fan air cooler tubes in a single pass with a high-resolution array. Can detect mainly circumferential cracks, is easy to use, offers intuitive C-scan imaging.
Thanks for watching. Visit our website to learn more about NFA.